Hello YouTube family, this is Ramana Reddy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel ServiceNow Training World. Today we will see the part 4 of scenario based interview questions in ServiceNow series. As you know guys, in this series we are discussing about all the real-time scenarios which are given by the interviewer during interview. Okay? So without any delay, we'll go to the topic. So let's go to the topic and see the today's task. Okay, guys? Yeah, see guys. The today's task is write a script to deactivate all user accounts who have not logged in from last 3 months and exclude all service accounts. Okay, now guys? That means whoever the user not logged in from last 3 months, we have to deactivate those users and exclude all the service accounts. Okay, now guys? Here, service account means like which are used for web services. Okay, what are the web services are there? We have to exclude them. Okay, now guys? Yeah, regarding service accounts, we'll discuss in few minutes. Okay, now guys? Yeah, we have to deactivate all the user accounts who have not logged in from last 3 months. That is the requirement. Okay? Yeah. So let's go to the instance and try to implement it. Okay, now guys? So I'm going to instance. See? First of all, I am opening user table. Okay, guys. This underscore user table. This underscore user dot list. In this user table, we have all the user records. Okay, guys. In this user table, what we need to find out? We need to find out last login time. Okay, guys. See. See in this list view right now we don't have field called last login time. Okay. Go to personalized settings. Okay, in this available slash bucket there is a field. Okay, that field is called last login time. Yeah, last login time. So first select it from available to selected slash bucket. Okay, now guys. Yeah, see guys, the last login and time field is came to list view. Okay, now guys. See here guys, in this last login time, some of the user record is showing empty because it's a PDI. Okay, that is the reason most of the users last login time is empty. Okay, now guys. So we have to exclude them. Okay. So I'm trying to filter it out. Okay. So I'm filtering empty records of last login time. Okay, now guys. Yeah. See guys. We have how many records? 32, right? Yeah. 32. We have 32 records. Are you getting guys? Okay. Now we have to filter the last login time is before last 3 months. Okay. So go to filter icon. Here the filter condition like last login time is before last 3 months. Okay, now guys. I am running this filter condition. See, how many records is there? Total 24 records. Users who have the last login time. Okay, na guys? And also here, one more condition we need to add. What is that condition, guys? Exclude the service accounts. That means if I open any one of user record, there one field is there, like web service access only. Okay, na guys? So I'm opening one user record. Service account means in user record we have one field is there. Okay, that is web services access only. Okay, see here, guys. Web service access only. So if any of the user who's having web service access only check, that means the checkbox is true, the value check, we have to exclude them. Okay, see here, web service access only, this is unchecked. Okay, if it is checked, then we have to exclude this record. Okay, na guys, like that. Are you getting, guys? If any of the user who's having web service access only checkbox is true, that means we have to exclude them. Okay, na guys? So go to the filter icon. 1 minute, guys. Yeah. So let's go to the filter icon. Put one more condition, like web services access only is false. Okay, na guys? That means who's having web service access only is true, we are excluding those records. Okay, na guys? So I'm running this all the filter conditions. See, guys. Total we have 18 records. Okay, these 18 records we have to deactivate. Okay, na guys? For that we have to write a script. Okay, na guys? Are you getting? Are you understand the requirement, right? Whoever the users last login time is before 3 months, we have to deactivate those we have to deactivate those users. Okay, na guys? And also exclude web services accounts. Okay, na guys? So for this, we need to write a script. I am opening background script. So go to background script. Yeah, give a moment, guys. It's loading. Yeah, I'm writing glide record on user table because glide record is a server side API. Okay, by using glide record, we can do card operations like we can create records, we can update records, we can delete records. Okay, anything, any server side, we can do any card operation. On that time, we can use the glide record. Okay, see, variable gr equal to new glide record of sys_user table. That means we are moving to the user table. Okay, or we are going to the user table. Glide means moving. Okay, glide record. We are moving into the sys_user table. Okay, variable gr means I am creating one object. Okay, in that object, through that object we can access everything. For example, I have created in line number one object variable gr. Through that object I can access everything in user table. Okay. Yeah, I have created the glide record object on user table. Then gr dot add encoded query. Here we have to use the encoded query because we have multiple conditions. Okay, now guys, see in user table we have multiple conditions like last login time before last 3 months and web services access only is false. Like that, we have given multiple conditions. If it is a single condition, then we can use the add query. Okay, if we have multiple conditions, then we will go with add encoded query. Okay, now guys. This question also asked in interview. Okay, now guys, what is the difference between add query and add encoded query? When we will use the add query and when we will use the add encoded query. Okay, now guys. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So I'm copying this query. Okay, now guys. Simple. In first line, I am creating one object. Through that object, we can access everything. Okay. I have created object in sys_user table. Okay. Once I get the access to the user table, I can do anything. Okay. And that user table, I am giving the filter conditions like last login time before last 3 months. Okay, now guys. Yeah, I need to filter all the query copy query. Okay. First time I have selected here only, so that is the reason it came off of the filter condition. See. Yeah. Now it came web services access only. Okay, now guys. Whatever the filter condition we have given in sys_user table, we need to copy that query and we have to paste in add and encoded query code. Okay, now guys. Then we have to run the above query. That means gr.query. Okay, now guys. After that, gr.active, okay, equal to false. This means I'm making active false of the records. Okay, that means in line number 2 code, I have given the some filter condition. Okay, for those records, I'm making the active is false. Okay, guys. gr.active means in user table we have field called active. Okay, guys. See, in user table we have field called active. Okay, guys. This is the field. Okay. So in line number 4, I am making all active records false. Okay, guys. Then I am updating the records. Update multiple. Okay, guys. Update multiple. Because here in filter condition we have in added query we have the filter condition. In that filter condition, 18 records are there. We need to make active false for these all the records. Okay, now guys. So that is the reason I have used the update multiple records. We have multiple records. Now, if it is a single record, then I will use the gr.update. Otherwise, we have multiple records. So I have used the update multiple. Instead of this, standard syntax is there now. While gr.next. Okay. After that, gr.active is equal false. Like that also we can write code. Okay. Okay, now guys. Yeah. Once again, I'm summarizing the script. Okay. In first line, I'm creating a object on user table. Okay, glide recording. Okay. And second line, we have used the encoded query because we have multiple conditions. If it is a single condition, then we use the add query. Okay, now guys. In that add encoded query, I have given the filter conditions like last login time before last 3 months and web service access only false. Okay, now guys. Then line number 3, we are executing the query. Okay, now guys. In line number 4, we are making active false for the records. Whatever the records came from line number 2, na, those records we are making active false. Okay, guys. In line number 5, we are updating the multiple records. Okay, guys. So like that we have done. See guys, I'm running the script. See what will happen. See guys, see underscore user row count 18. I am going to the user table. See right now all active. All see. Got it now guys? We have did all users active first. See here, all 18 records. So I am opening this record only. This is also false. Okay now guys? Because we are given the condition like whoever the user record having web service access only false. For those records, we are making active false. Okay now guys? I hope you got it. If you still have any doubts, please write in the comment box. Otherwise, okay. Otherwise, you can ping me accordingly. I will get back to you guys. Okay, now guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks for supporting me. Okay, now guys. Yeah. Thank you. See you guys. Bye.